Hi Terry, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is an SEO analysis of your website. So I quickly checked the SEO values on your website, and I do have few recommendations on the areas that you can definitely improve on. Basically, your target keywords should be in heading tags. So heading tags are those kind of signposts within the text, within the website content for Google to really understand what the website is about. So using them in the right way, meaning using H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 within the page. H1 are mandatory for the website to really rank well because they are assigned to page titles. So make sure to have all of them, all of these heading tags with assigned keywords, and obviously they need to make sense to the user as well, because user experience is as important as SEO. So work on the content consistency. Watch straps, obviously you would want to rank on their watch straps, not just watch, but obviously H tags will help you do that. Amount of content. So the more written content you have on your website, the easier will be for you to rank, because Google crawls written content much more effectively than images, videos, and so on. So adding fresh content, especially on a regular basis in terms of blogging, can definitely help you improve your SEO even further. Image alt tags. So images, when you add images, make sure to define alt tags as well, so they serve user experience when someone is browsing the website. With images turned off, the alt tags described what each image is about, so what each image contains. This is also really useful for someone who uses screen readers. This is quite important part of user experience, which is obviously part of SEO as well. I noticed that your links or URLs aren't very SEO friendly. SEO friendly URLs are on average shorter, more defined. If your URLs are quite long, they will make difficult for Google to analyze and rank your website. Let me just check your URL. So for example, URL of this page, you can't see it within the screen. Okay, so I pasted the URL into this document, and it shows you how it is not SEO friendly because it is quite long. It's got plenty of elements and it's got numbers. Numbers at the end of URL is a dead giveaway that the page will be difficult for Google to crawl, and it is a rule of thumb. So to optimize URLs, to optimize the Slack part of each page and product, to remove those numbers. So this URL would be much better. What spring bars products? Obviously, uh, you cannot really edit it. Rolex, Rolex spring bars. This would be much more SEO friendly and still contains the key information for Google to really rank this product in the relevant search results. So this is how you make URLs more SEO friendly and more Google friendly, making Google more likely to show you up in the search results. Okay, going further with the SEO review, you've got analytics, Google Analytics integrated, you've got sitemap present, which is perfect. I would also love to analyze or review your Google Analytics because it will tell me a lot about your bounce rate, but obviously this will be part of the SEO project. Because it is quite complex. Obviously, it's not part of the free SEO review. However, I will be able to spend at least an hour reviewing your Google Analytics and going through each element and seeing where the traffic comes from, which are the most profitable traffic sources for you. So it will help you focus on these, and obviously which traffic source converts the most. So you want to focus on working on this kind of traffic, so your conversion rate will be higher. So obviously this will be all part of the SEO project. For some reason you seem to use Flash, which is not standard for Shopify, so I will look at it because Flash can block Google bots from accessing your pages. So I'll see why the Flash is used on which elements and if I can optimize it better so it doesn't really distract or stop Google bots without obviously changing elements on your website as well. Good news, you've got no broken links, so this is fantastic. Your website is mobile friendly as well, and it loads super fast. So these important issues are perfect. However, I will definitely look on improving the URLs, the images. This is important, adding fresh content, and optimizing the content the right way so your website is being featured in the most relevant search results, because it's not enough just to be featured in Google. I'd love also to have a look at your Google Search Console to see which keywords people use when finding your website, and obviously which keywords are the easiest for you to improve your rank on. Because if you already are ranking on page 2 for certain keywords, if I optimize your website for this keyword, it will be super easy for you to jump onto the first page. So Google Search Console definitely will give me all this information. So the best way to get started with your SEO package, simply reply to this email. We can hop on a free chat and we can discuss your requirements, we can discuss your budget, and obviously I will be able to prepare a bespoke SEO package for you, because as I mentioned, you don't need everything, you just need few details to work on your website. I would also love to help you with the conversion rate. I noticed that the elements on your website, I mean, they are not ideally optimized to convert online user once they land on your website. For example, this image, I mean, it looks great because I remember you had the Rolex watch as the featured image. So this is obviously much, much better. But to optimize it for conversion, this image needs to be linked to the collection page or to the product page, and obviously have a short description, short tagline, building rapport, building trust, and obviously having call to action such as shop now, click here, and so on. Also, the images or the image layout on the home page, on the collection page, isn't the best for the conversion, isn't the best really to reflect the real value of your product. So I would love to tweak it a little bit more to show your product images, to make it a little bit better, to make them a little bit more prominent, and obviously help you in guiding how to edit the product images, because your images are good quality. What they lack is the post edit to really make the products, make the colors pop out, make your visitors really appreciate the product, really want to buy them. So obviously this will be all part of the bespoke package that I will build for you. So the best way to get started, email me back and we can hop on free chat, and then we can arrange the Google Analytics review, and obviously the package and obviously all the details of the package. So thank you so much, Terry, for your time, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye bye.